boost the quality of your smart speaker, and a whole lot more. We're checking out the OneCast next on HiDEF Lifestyle. Hi, I'm Lane with HiDEF Lifestyle. The popularity of smart speakers and smart home devices is increasing at an impressive rate. Combined with all the music streaming services that are currently available, and you can listen to whatever song just pops into your head at a moment's notice. While nobody is denying the convenience of smart speakers, the quality of sound can often leave people wanting. The solution? The Cyrus OneCast Smart Amplifier will not only boost the quality of streaming music, but almost anything that produces sound. One of the first things you notice about the OneCast is its size. For an integrated amplifier, it's much more compact than many of its competitors, yet still able to put out 100 watts per channel. To get that much power from such a small device, Cyrus used their hybrid Class D engine, one of the most innovative amplifier designs in the last few years. This gives this deceivingly small amplifier the capability of driving almost any loudspeakers with ease from anywhere in the house. In addition to boosting the quality of sound that comes from the loudspeakers, it can also boost your headphones. Cyrus also built in the OneCast an exceptional Class AB Headphone amplifier. Once headphones are plugged in, the full power of the large toroidal transformer is diverted to power this smaller amp section, producing an incredible dynamic range and control level better than most dedicated headphone amplifiers. The OneCast has inputs to be able to connect to almost anything that produces music, so you can increase the sound quality in virtually everything you listen to. There's an HDMI port to hook up your smart TV's audio return channel, or ARC. This will allow you to control the unit's volume with the TV remote. There's also an optical, a USB-B, coaxial, analog inputs, as well as an RCA input to built-in phone stage for turntables. The unit also has a high-quality Bluetooth receiver so you can send music directly from your smartphones. To get the highest quality performance out of whichever speakers you use, Cyrus uses their SID system. The speaker impedance detection system measures the connected speakers and automatically calibrates the amplifier to give you the best possible performance. While the sound and build quality are impressive enough for any integrated amp, what really makes the Cast One such an incredible amplifier is its voice control capabilities. If you have smart speakers such as an Apple HomePod or an Amazon Echo on the same Wi-Fi network, you can use voice commands to send music to your OneCast. Even if the amp is in standby mode, it will automatically wake up and start playing. Of course, that does not mean that you need one of those smart speakers. If you have smart home apps on your phone or tablet, you can use those to use voice control commands as well. Once connected, you can give your OneCast a name, assign it to a room, or even a group of rooms. This will allow you to send synchronized music to play in several rooms, either with a streaming app or voice controls. The OneCast works with all the leading voice control platforms from Google, Apple, and Amazon. What I'd like to do for you now is briefly go over the setup for the OneCast. Now for its initial setup, Cyrus recommends using the Google Home app. Alright, so the first thing you want to do obviously is make sure you have power to the unit. So plug it into the back there. And you also want to make sure you have speakers hooked up as well. So for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm using Monitor Audio's Bronze 2 bookshelf speakers. Okay. All right, once you have everything hardwired up, it's time to turn it on. Power button is underneath this dial here on the lower left. Turn it on. And you want to make sure that the flashing light is flashing yellow and not red. Okay, now it's time to open the Google Home app. Okay, now if you didn't already have the app installed on your smartphone or tablet, you will have to go through a quick setup process. Once you're through that process, then we can get started. So just go ahead and click here. All right, now you want to set up new devices. They'll ask you to choose a home if you don't already have one selected. We don't have one, so we will just create another home and then click Next. Your home nickname helps you identify your home. We'll just give ours a nickname. HiDEF. All right, now it's asking you if you want to let Google have access to your location, only while using this app. All right, now it's looking for devices. Yep, and there it is. It's found the Cyrus One. So you're going to go ahead and click on the Cyrus One, and then hit Next. It's now connecting. And once it's connected, you will hear that ding sound. If you don't hear that sound, you're going to have to go back through the app. But since we heard the jingle, we know we are connected to the Cyrus one, so click yes. Now it asks if you want to send crash reports. Choose whichever you like. It will not affect the amp one way or the other. Next, it is going to ask you where the device is located. It gives you multiple options for rooms in your house. Obviously, HiDEF Video Studio is not one of them, so we're just going to go ahead and click Family Room. And next. Next, it's going to ask you to choose a Wi-Fi. Now, if you have smart speakers set up that you want to use with your OneCast, you will have to make sure they are on the same Wi-Fi network. So we're going to just go ahead and click Next. And then a password. Once you've entered the password correctly, you're going to start connecting to the Wi-Fi. All right, once your OneCast is connected, the flashing yellow light will turn a solid green. Just link in your Cyrus One. Just click Continue. Google Assistant, yeah, we'll turn that on. All right, then select a default music device. Let's go with Spotify. And next, link your Spotify account. Yes, link account. And then you can log in. All right, now that we got everything set up, why don't we play some music and see how this thing sounds. Hey Google, play Feel It Still on Family Room speaker.
Choosing songs is only available to Spotify Premium subscribers. But give this Spotify Feel It Still station a listen. Playing on Family Room speaker.
Okay, and voice activated. Turn it on. To adjust the volume. That dial there. Sounds pretty good. Let's boost it up a little bit more. Now, I don't know about you, but for streaming music, that sounds pretty good. The Cyrus OneCast integrated smart amplifier is a great way to improve your overall listening experience, giving you the best possible sound from music streaming services, as well as boosting the quality of your existing components. If you're interested in the OneCast for your home, make sure you go to our website, HiDEFLifestyle.com.